My name is Athar Pratap Singh.
And my name is Amal Kapoor.
We are from Mount Carmel Intermediate College.
Our team name is Bioblasters.
We are participated in Viksit Bharat Bidathon with our upcoming idea AgroSun, which is based on sun power irrigation. AgroSun. The word AgroSun defined two different things depending on context, but generally it combines agriculture and sunlight. This idea is taken from modern irrigation system that work from solar panel, which charge through sunlight and automatically irrigate the land. It's help farmer to save time, money, conserve energy, and also save water. As we know, supplying water to the land and crop to help them grow, especially when there is no enough rainfall, is called irrigation. We belong to the land of farmers, so we know the importance of irrigation, and in studies we noticed how much the time wastage in irrigation system. So, seeing this problem, we have come up with the idea of solar irrigation system. What is a solar irrigation system? A solar energy irrigation system is a modern and eco-friendly method of watering crop using energy from the sun. In this system, solar panels are used to capture sunlight and convert into electricity. This electricity powers a pump which draws water from a well or from any water source and supplies it to fields through pipe and sprinkle or drip system. Why do we need solar irrigation system? We need solar irrigation system for many important reasons, such as in many rural area electricity is not available all the time and diesel is expensive. With solar irrigation, farmer can use free sunlight to pump water, which reduces their cost of farming irrigation and makes farmer more reliable. Solar irrigation help in sustainable agriculture. Solar irrigation system, on the other hand, are environment friendly because they use clean and renewable energy.
How does solar irrigation system works? The working of solar irrigation system is simple but very effective. During the day, solar panel absorbs sunlight and produce electric current. The current is sent to the controller or inverter, which manages the flow of electricity to solar pump. Pump lift water from the source like borewell, pond, canal and send it to the field through pipes. The system can also be connected to sprinklers or drip irrigation to provide water directly to the root of plant, saving both water and energy. This technology requires very low maintenance and can work for many years, making it excellent long-term investment for farmers. Conclusion. The solar irrigation is a smart, sustainable and eco-friendly solution for modern farming. It helps farmers save money, time, water and conserve energy and protect the nature. By using power of the sun, we can make agriculture greener, cleaner and more productive. Let us all support and promote solar irrigation for a better and brighter future for India and Indian farmers. Thank you.